Alright, here's my problem. That thing right there, you can hear it beeping. I gotta go get some 9-volt batteries. Okay, I'm gonna go get the batteries. Step one, I gotta get a step ladder. Get up there. Hopefully I don't fall and break my neck. Oh shit. And then I gotta figure out how this one works. I don't know if I pop, oh yeah, I just pop it open. All right, so to get this open, I just come over here on this side. I just pull on it and it opens up. And then there's the battery there. And it should just pop out. Oh, that was easy. All right, so I got the battery on. You can see there's the leads right there. There's the 2 leads. So I've got to get another 9-volter. And we'll leave it like this for right now. I got to go to the store because I don't have any, damn it. I got the 9 volts. Got to put one in. Got to tear them out of this bag. Rail vac. Cross your fingers. Hope I don't fall off this frickin' thing. Oh yeah, there it is. Got to put it in there. Switch this around because I'm going in from the other angle. 67 years old, no balance. All right, so we got to look at these, and we want to have this one pointed that way. All right, so you got the male. So I got to put it in there, turn it, and then I'm just going to push it forward. Bam. That sucked. It's in. Check it out. Then you just shut it. Should be good for a couple more months. And so I'm going to save this one right here like that, and then I'll be able to grab it next time I need to put it in the fire alarm. How's that sound?